Today about how to study mathematics. A lot of students aren't quite sure how to be successful. They really, really, really want to be successful, but they need to be shown the way, and that's just fine. So let's talk about what it takes to crush mathematics. Well, big thing I'm going to talk about is discipline. I'm going to talk a lot about consistency and strategies that will help you maximize your class time, being consistent inside and outside of the classroom. I'll talk about a bunch of practical strategies that you can apply right away. And one thing that I'd like to just touch on, you should be positive in your self-talk, and you should be manifesting your destiny in a positive way. So believe that you can get better, and with hard work you can get better. Don't have a fixed mindset that means you're never going to be able to change or improve, because that would be foolish. All right, so let's get into it. So when you are in class, you need to make sure that you're learning actively. And when you're practicing outside of class, you need to make sure that you're learning actively. You need to practice, practice, practice. You've got to do problems over and over again. If your teacher gives you warm-ups, you could redo each of those warm-ups 3 times. I say you can make something like a quiz quilt out of it, because the questions that the teacher is targeting and reviewing with you, either the questions that the teacher is going over in the notes, or the warm-ups, you should be redoing those problems and make sure that you get the muscle memory, because math is a sport. So active learning, active practice, lots of repetition and rehearsal, that is absolutely paramount. Research has shown that if you are learning something and you know that you're going to have to teach someone else, you learn it better and you learn it more deeply. So prepare like you're going to teach someone else, and maybe you do in fact teach your little brother or your mom or your grandma or something, or maybe you don't. But prepare like you're going to teach someone else. Once you get to that level, and with that level of preparation, you will deeply understand the material and be in a really, really good spot. In terms of strengthening your skills, one thing I always like to say to students is everything is easy once you understand it. So make sure that you aim for understanding. You want to break the problems down that you're working on, maybe add some words or break down the steps to really, really clarify to yourself exactly what's going on. So words will help you understand the math. Writing down everything can be incredibly effective. So not only should you write down everything that you see. All right, I have to stop this video because I messed up.